Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Tea Time Style Time. Thank you for taking some of your precious time to join me today. Today, I'm very excited to share one of my Christmas presents. It is an Hermes scarf, and the Christmas packaging is just spectacular. It is inspired by the design La Source de Pegasus, and if you know me, Pegasus is one of my favorite characters. The packaging came from the online store. As you can see, there is a sleeve that was put over the orange box. Here's a look at the front and the back. This design, I think, is also available for fragrances. Any silk product that you order in store or online does come with the Christmas packaging. This is the envelope the receipt comes in. And when I was slipping the box out of the packaging, I was a little disappointed there is no ribbons available on it, but I guess that's okay. Also that was missing was the art information about the scarf that's inside, but I do have a book coming by the artist Alice Shirley that I can't wait to share with you. This scarf, you can see the Asian leopard cat, I believe, is the Wild Singapore colorway of I think 5. There's 9 different types, and the camera does not do it justice. It is absolutely spectacular. So the Wild Singapore scarf was originally only a Singapore exclusive, but it was since available in other places. There is a lion in the center and all of the wildlife that is on the island of Singapore. I particularly like the attention to detail. You can tell that Alice Shirley put a lot of love, thought, and creation into creating this scarf. There was a little piece of fuzz I did pick off. Now this scarf is 90 centimeters by 90 centimeters. I do have this style tag. I had some trouble getting the camera to focus for you if you are interested in picking one up for yourself. This particular colorway, I believe, also comes with blue and gold and a light pinkish color. This is the darker pink, and for me, because I tend to wear a lot of like grays, greens, purples, and a few pinks, I think this will complement everything I have. There is the Wild Singapore on the Hermes scarf, and I was looking for Alice Shirley's name, but I didn't find it until a little later. I tried to capture like a few different shots of this for you, but I think found it was more successful after the clip of me unboxing it to just show you the scarf up close. This is my failed attempt to try and show you a few different ways you can tie the scarf, but I'm going to do that in an upcoming video. So that's it for now. This is my first Hermes scarf, so I will let you know how it holds up to wear and tear. Oh, one other thing is that the edges are hand purled. I think that was really super special, and I can't wait to have this piece in my collection. Here is a shot of all of the animals. I hope you enjoyed a video like this. I have a few more coming your way. I have a few, like 1 or 2 other things coming that I can't wait to share. One of them is Hermes inspired, and the other is the art book, but actually there might be a jewelry unboxing too. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for future content. Wishing everyone that watches this a very happy holiday season, and I hope that you guys are all staying safe and warm out.